This is my Glacio 95 litre bar fridge, ordered on the 16th of May 2018, shipped on the 17th of May 2018 and received by me here in Newlands Arms, Victoria, midweek the following week via Australia Post. It was put onto my boat but not actually turned on until New Year's Day, mainly because the 12-volt wiring wasn't in place. New Year's Day we turned it on and we used it that day and for several weekends after that, and it worked perfectly. It was then turned off again until the 1st of April when I came back to the boat, and it operated continuously and well until overnight on the 15th of April 2019, just short of 12 months from the day of order. It doesn't freeze, nor does it cool. It's as simple as that. It doesn't run. The first thing to note is there is no sound of a compressor running, no vibration from the fridge, and it's been on now for 2 hours, and the temperature in the freezing compartment is still the ambient temperature of the room at 19 to 20 degrees Celsius. And I'll take the probe out of the freezer, and as you can see, no change, 19 degrees Celsius. Now, it is, I'll put it back in again just to show the thing. 19 degrees Celsius, no change. The power supply, as you can see, it's running at 240 volts. The power supply LED is lit, and I have measured it, and there's 12 volts and thereabouts in that socket, and I'll measure it again now to demonstrate. And we'll do it this way. I hope the extract the plug. Working in the dark here.
There it is.
There we go, 13.63 volts, which is about what you'd expect from a 12-volt DC supply being equal to a fully charged battery. So there's power at that socket, and we can have a look in here. The only other component that might fail is the fuse, which is in here. I won't take it apart, but I have taken the fuse out and checked it. The fuse is reading about what you'd expect from a 10 amp fuse. I have to say that plug is a bit flimsy looking, but that's what came with the fridge. Plug it back in. Still no signs of compressor or sounds of compressor running. The fridge is neither cold nor warm to touch, it's at room temperature, and it's still 19 degrees. And no sign of frosting, and there's no feeling of cold in there, and it doesn't grab my hand. Put it simply, the fridge no longer works. The problem's obviously in the internal controls or the thermometer, thermostat, one or the other.